Welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to add white backgrounds to your DaVinci Resolve. It's really easy and simple to do, so you just need to make sure that you're opening a new project on DaVinci and make sure that you're on the third tab as you see on the bottom here. And then all you have to do is make sure you have your effects library tab open. So if you just click on effects library, you'll notice it has like a toolbox, video transitions, audio transitions and stuff. You just need to make sure you go under to generators, click on generators, and you'll see an option for solid color. You want to click on that and drag it over to your timeline. Once that's there, you could either change the duration like this by clicking on it and dragging. And then once you are at the correct duration, you could just go ahead and click on the solid color option and then go over to the top right here and just make sure inspector is clicked on. And then you'll see under generator it says color. So we just go click on the color and then we're able to just change it to white like this and click OK. And then you have your solid white background on DaVinci. I hope I was able to help you guys out. If I was, be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.